High side for the World Championship leader, and that's a dangerous, dangerous place to be crashing. Please get out of the circuit. Look at all these riders. Oh, goodness me, it's exactly what you don't want to see. Oh, no.
Bastianini knows, he knew he's going to be absolutely gutted, crestfallen. Couldn't see who it was who made contact with Bastianini's bike. This is going to be a red flag. The red flag is out. That is a completely destroyed motorcycle. We saw that very, very close here 1 year ago with Remy Gardner and Alex Marquez, didn't we? A rider that high size, lose the rear coming out of the first corner. That can happen. It was Bastianini that lost the rear. The red flag is out.
That was horrific, and that is the problem with that corner as you come out and you high side a bike in the middle of the circuit, because people can't see it because of they're coming over the crest.
And Bastianini knew exactly what was coming. As soon as he got to his feet and knew he wasn't going to be hit himself, he was just like looking, going, please, please, no, nobody make contact with the bike. There is the red flag then.
Simon.
Yeah, guys, I think you can see over that crest. The problem is if you're slipstreaming someone else, then you just don't see. They dive out of the way, and then there's a bike on the floor in front of you.
Edgar Pons was one of the riders that was caught up in that instant there on the number 57 machine. That's one of the Honda Team Asia riders as well. So there's more than one rider that has been caught up in that instant involving Enea Bastianini.
Horrific accident, that one. Really, really bad. I'm wondering, I think Hafizh Syahrin was involved in that as well. I'm not sure if it was his bike. I'm not sure if it was him that hit Bastianini's stricken bike. But no surprise to see the red flag. But now Bastianini's perfectly fine despite that.
Yeah, he's going to be devastated. He's going to be absolutely mortified. The last thing that he wanted to do was cause a multi-rider pilot like that. It's so easy to do when you're trying to squeeze that power on to get the drive out of that corner. You know, Bastianini was struggling for pace at that stage of the race as well. He'd been passed by Bezzecchi and could see him getting away. He was under pressure from Canet as well, just perhaps a little bit too eager there as well.
Look at Hafizh Syahrin's bike, and Andy is the Haas machine. Just the impact was scary. And now Bastianini bike's high side, I mean, point one, he does well to avoid not to get taken out. Then, unfortunately, a rider's going to clatter into Enea Bastianini's bike.
Yeah, and with like Simon said, your vision's blocked. Look how close Remy Gardner is. He's not going to be able to see much of that, and then the riders behind can pick their way through. Roberts did so, Baldassari did.
100%, all riders conscious. That's the best outcome you could possibly have, because that...
Look, you can see that young man there just cannot believe what he's witnessing. He's just seeing riders crash into his fallen motorcycle. There's nothing Bastianini can do.